How to enable log mode or a record video in a log mode on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. Latest Samsung S25 series introduced amazing log video option. You can use this feature if you want to record the video and editing later on your device. So first of all, let's see how to enable it and how it will helpful to improve the video recording on your device. So first of all, open the camera application on S25 Ultra. Tap the more option at the bottom right. Here you can see the camera setting. Tap on a pro video. Now at the top right corner you can find the log option. By default turn off. So tap on it to turn on the log mode on your device. Now you can see log mode. When you see yellow it means turn on the log mode on your device. Now let's create a video. Now we start the video on my device. Now here you can see how it amazing work. Now stop it. Now let's see how it completely convert your video to amazing. Now open video. This is the log video. Here you can see the log. Now apply the effect or color gradient. Now tap the correct color and now you can see that's amazing. You can see easily it will amazing create using this log video feature on your device. You can tap on save copy to save copy on your device. Also share with your friend. So if you want to create a video and editing later, log video is one of the best feature. You can also access or change the setting in log video by open the camera, tap the dots here, tap the setting gear icon. Now scroll down. In camera setting you can find advanced video option. Tap on it. Again scroll. Here you can see the log option. Here you can enable or disable the log mode also or tap on it. Now select pro video mode only or video and pro modes. So you can also select from this option. If you don't want to just toggle up it. Also you can turn on log mode using the camera application. Now tap the log mode option to turn it on or tap it again to turn it off. So quite easy to use log mode on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.